I'm here at IDDBA 2023, and I'm catching up with my friend Chimene Ross, president of Killer Brownie Company. Hi, Chimene.
Hi, Joanie.
Thanks for catching up with me. Let's take a little walk.
Okay.
So this show has been amazing, and you are exhibiting. Killer Brownie is an exhibitor. One thing that I'm hearing is this trend of value, and consumers are really like looking at value in a totally different way that has less to do with price. What are you seeing, and what are your customers asking for?
So one thing that we're known for is really kind of reinventing the brownie category.
Yep.
So for us, it's a very unique eating experience, multi-layers. We specialize in things that a lot of people are not doing at scale. And so that allows us to be able to make an offer for someone to have a decadent experience at not a really high price point. So It's as if they were going to go to a restaurant, and they can go to the grocery store and get that same kind of experience and take it home at a very reasonable price point.
Right.
But also to be able to have that, doing something unique and special.
Yes. And then I've heard a lot of that talk too about how it's really important, almost as part of health overall, doing something that's special for yourself. And
Yes.
so I have a feeling that concept applies to Killer Brownie really well.
For sure. Yeah, it does. And I think that's why the eating experience is so important to us. The ingredients are so important to us, but the flavor profile, we won't put anything out that isn't truly represent our brand.
Yeah.
We want for people to feel like this is unique and different and unlike anything they've ever experienced, but also a true indulgence. And that's why our bite sizes are so popular, because people feel like, this is a true indulgence.
Yep.
It's just the right size. I don't feel like I'm overindulging, but I'm investing in myself and treating myself.
Yeah.
And so that's a lot of people come to us for that very experience. Yeah.
So I'm going to ask you a bonus question. How hard is it to do this at scale? Because you are incredibly decadent. How do you scale that?
We have a team of some really amazing people, and we partnered with some really great equipment manufacturers that have helped us to kind of customize the process, and we're able to take that with our super talented team, and it's really just been a process of growing. As we've grown, we've been able to, okay, the next step, this is what we need to do. How do we figure that out? And I'll tell you something, Joanie, it's by not really knowing what we weren't supposed to do. We were like, oh, we can do that. We'll figure it out.
Yep.
When somebody starts to tell you, I don't think you can do that, then you get in your head and you don't do it.
Exactly.
We just decided not to feel that way, not to think that way.
And I know that that's something you're known for, and it's really courageous. And I think that it has led to some incredible product development. And I would even venture to say it's led to the success of your business.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. It's been a lot of fun, and I would agree. Yeah.
Well, Chimene, thanks so much for catching up with me. I'm going to let you get back to your booth, but this was a really great catching up.
Thank you. Appreciate it.